In this lesson, you will learn how to speak about the place where you live in simple but clear and effective English. Here, we focus on a topic outline, sentence patterns, and examples to learn from. You can also use it to write an essay about your home. Hi guys, my name is Konst. I am a teacher of English as a foreign language in my second degree and a specialist in educational psychology in my first degree. I hope this lesson will be useful for all of you who want to practice, develop and improve your English spoken skills. In order to get most benefit from the lesson, after studying each point, compose your own sentences and talk about your home. If you do it in writing, you will end up with an essay about your house. Here is an outline based on which you can talk about your home. Type of house. I live in a small flat or spacious house or lovely cottage or modern apartment. It is a one-story house or two-story building or a three-floor flat. The house is modern or the flat is new. Now describe your house or flat using these sentence patterns. Second point is location. Now we are telling where our house or flat is located. It is in a quiet area, or a busy street, or in the city center, or in the suburbs. The location is convenient, peaceful, noisy, lively. It is close to shops, schools, parks, public transport. The area is safe, friendly, crowded, peaceful. It is located in the city center, in the suburbs, in the countryside. I like the location because it is near my work, or it is quiet, or it has everything I need. Now tell me where your house is located using one or more of these sentence patterns. Third, here we are talking about a floor or the number of stories in our house. It is on the ground floor. It is on the first floor. The flat is on the second floor of a tall building. My house has 2 floors, or 3 levels, or 2 floors and a basement. There is a lift to go upstairs. I have to use stairs because there is no lift. If you live in a house, you can say that it is a one-story house, or my house is a 2-story, or my house has 2 stories. It is a 2-story house. What floor is your flat on? Fourth, let's say how large our flat is. The house is small. The flat is medium-sized. It is spacious. It is cramped. It is cozy or compact. There is enough space, or there isn't much room, or there is plenty of space. The rooms are big. The rooms are small. The rooms are narrow or wide. It is perfect for one person. It is perfect for a family or a couple. How big is your house or flat? Fifth, let's say a few words about the layout and space of our house. My flat has an open plan layout, or separate rooms. There is a living room, kitchen and 2 bedrooms. The rooms are well organized, or a bit messy, or spacious and cozy. The layout is practical, or confusing, comfortable, modern, and so on. I like the layout because it's easy to move around. It feels open. What can you say about the layout of your house? Now let's add some words about the rooms. There are 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a living room and a kitchen. The bedroom is cozy, small, bright and comfortable. The kitchen is modern or old or spacious or tiny. The living room has a sofa, a TV and a bookshelf. The bathroom is clean and modern or small and a bit old. How many rooms does your house have? What can we say about the furniture in our home? The furniture is modern, or old, or comfortable and stylish. There is a sofa, a table and a wardrobe in the living room. The bedroom has a double bed, a desk and a wardrobe. The kitchen has a fridge, a stove and a small table. I like the furniture because it's practical and it looks nice. And finally, you can add some more details. I like it because it's modern, it has a nice view, it is convenient. One of the best features is the large balcony with a view of the park. My favorite part is the garden because it's peaceful and full of flowers. The only problem is it is noisy, it is too small, or it is a bit old. The neighborhood is quiet and there's a park nearby where I often go for walks. Let's look at two simple examples of describing a house. Small flat in the city. I live in a small flat in the city center. It is on the third floor of a modern building. The flat is not very big, but it's comfortable. There is a living room, a small kitchen, one bedroom, and a bathroom. The living room has a sofa, a TV, and a bookshelf. The bedroom is cozy with a double bed and wardrobe. The flat is quiet, even though it is in a busy area. I like it because it's close to shops and cafes. Spacious house in the suburbs. My house is in the suburbs and it's very spacious. It has 2 floors and a small garden. On the ground floor there is a large living room, a kitchen and a dining room. Upstairs there are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The house is bright and pleasant with big windows. The furniture is modern and comfortable. I love the garden because it's peaceful and perfect for relaxing. I hope this lesson has been useful for you. In the comments you can suggest a topic for me to do a lesson on. See you soon!